Hey everyone, happy Self Love Sunday. So, when we are letting go of old belief systems, old patterns, old thought processes, what we have to realize is that there has been a seed planted within us that we have been watering and nourishing and nurturing over time, helping it to grow with just our focus and our attention. Now, you may not have planted that seed yourself. Maybe it was planted by somebody else, maybe a parent or an authority figure, whomever. But that seed was planted, and with your own focus and your intention, you have been allowing that to expand and grow and to basically be assimilated in your life. Now, what happens when this seed that's been planted, that you have been watering over time, what happens when it's something that you actually do not want? What if it's something that has not served you over time, and now you are realizing that this doesn't work for you anymore, and now you have to allow it to die away, to get rid of it. The biggest thing here is that recognizing that this doesn't work for you, but also that you can change it. So, through shifting your attention to a new seed, to planting a new seed of what you want, growing it, nurturing it, watering it, focusing on it, intending to grow this new seed into this beautiful flower, whatever it is that you want, that is what you want to do. So, this old seed that no longer works, that has grown into something that's not helpful, just allow it to die away by drawing your attention to that new growth, that new seed, whatever it is that you are planting. Because you can shift your attention, you can shift your energy to what it is that you do want. Whatever this old thing was, this old seed that was planted, that actually isn't you. And I know we can think that these things are who we are from our own perspective. Well, this is just who I am, but it can be changed, it can be shifted. We can shift our energy because we have control over that creation. So either you are focusing on something by default or you're doing it deliberately. So when you are doing it by default, you've just run into a habit, into this perpetual focusing on something that you do not want because it's there, it's right in front of you. But if you do it deliberately and begin to shift your awareness over to something that you do want, the seed that you've planted that you do want to grow and nurture and nourish and allow the old to die away, that's what you want to do. That is being deliberate. That is being a deliberate creator in your own life. So I hope this helped you, and I will see you next time.